Hi there, it's Anna-Lena. I'm recording from Norway. I'm out walking and it's just absolutely wonderful. It's beautiful, it's peaceful. Um, and as I was walking, I was thinking about this flower, and it's this one. And this flower in Norwegian is called a priest's collar. So in our culture, when a priest under a sermon, he would or she would wear a black dress, a long black dress, and around his or her neck he would have like the white ornament, which would be the collar. So this is flower is called a priest's collar in Norwegian. And I picked a flower. I'm going to bring it home afterwards and put it in some water. And as you can see, this flower is a perfect creation. It's absolutely perfect. And in the middle you have the center, which is the core. And from the center, the stem goes down and into the ground. And it's got roots. And from the roots, it draws life energy from water, sunshine, and good soil in order to become a perfect creation. An image of God. And then it starts as a seed in the ground, and it grows. And from that life energy, and from the yellow center, it looks like the sun. The white flower can grow. The white, do you call them petals? So it just makes me think that sometimes nature is a great teacher, or it definitely is. And you can use it, from the center. It's like an energy of absolute beauty coming from the center. And you can use it in whatever way it makes sense to you. But it symbolizes how we all need roots, how we all need the center. And to me, that center is the Word of God and Jesus Christ and His love. And through Him, we can draw life energy. And what's happened, as we know, what's happened to so many indigenous cultures is that they've removed the children from their families, which means they were removed from their roots, from their traditions, from their values, from their families, from their safety, from what they know, from love. They were removed from their roots, from love. And it was a way of trying to destroy a human being or a whole culture. Anyway, the Word of God coming from the center draws life energy from good soil, water, sunlight, the elements, in order to become this perfect, beautiful flower. Take care out there. Be blessed.